Are you having trouble with the IELTS writing section? Well, I'm here to help. In this interview, I will ask an IELTS examiner with over 10 years of experience who has marked thousands of essays on how to get those high band scores. To watch the full interview, click the bubble at the top of the screen, or tune in to our YouTube channel each week for a new episode. Now watch and learn. That I want to ask a popular notion or answer a popular kind of myth or idea. Many students, through my years of experience, I've noticed use template essays from the internet, from their classrooms, from other resources. For instance, where their thesis statement might read something like, this essay will discuss the benefits and demerits of using cars for commuting to work. In your experience, how effective are these kinds of template thesis statements or sentences in the essay?
Extremely ineffective. It's the case many times when I was examining and I would read those, because it's often in the introduction, right? And you'll see like it'll be a relatively simple topic, like about maybe traffic jams. And then the writer will use like words like phenomenon. And these kind of words and this, as you just said, like those typical expressions, as an examiner, as soon as I read those in the introduction, I don't discredit it, but it shows me that it's memorized language. And when you see this kind of template, as you mentioned, you can feel that that's not the writer's real voice. They're not losing points, but you can feel that that's not their real voice. So as an examiner, I would first check what their thesis is and then go into the body paragraphs to start finding like when are they going to start using their real voice.
And what are the chances of this kind of an essay getting a band 8 or a band 9?
0.
Okay, so take a note. It's best to avoid this when you're practicing and writing your official exam.
In fact, those kind of template essays, like again, you gave your example, the most common one I saw, many people believe that X, while others believe that Y. And then in this essay, I'll describe the merits and demerits of both. Often the examiner's first feeling, and again, they read the whole essay, but the first feeling is, oh, this is going to be a 5.5. Because, you know, when you do use this template, it's very hard to show your own style and make the style fit the topic, because you're taking your template and trying to push it on the topic. And that almost never reads well, and that almost always negatively affects task achievement and coherence and cohesion. Because you're using these connecting words and you're using them quite unnaturally. So often the most common score when I see these types of essays is 5-5, you know, for task achievement 5, coherence and cohesion 5, and then for grammatical and lexical, a 6.
Yeah. And referring back to what we talked about, arguably the task achievement, coherence at the end of the day are the most valuable characteristics, especially for those higher band essays. So that makes sense. For many more great IELTS lesson videos with tips and strategies, including original exams, a fully interactive course, and an app for your mobile, check out gieltshelp.com. Begin improving your band scores today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video? Click right up here. And join our premium package. Click on our hero to practice your speaking, get videos, exams, and an interactive course.